What is a breach? A breach is defined as the unauthorized access, use, or disclosure of PHI which compromises the security or privacy of the PHI, something which is not permitted under the HIPAA privacy rule. An unsecured PHI is any health information which is not encrypted or not destroyed through an approved process which makes the PHI unusable or indecipherable to unauthorized individuals. PHI can be in any form like electronic, written, or verbal. A breach can take place due to many activities such as accessing data that is more than the minimum necessary, leaving sensitive documents or workstations unattended, sharing confidential information such as passwords that lead to unauthorized access, discussing patient information in public, improper disposal of confidential materials, unintentionally sharing the PHI with the wrong person, sharing the data for malicious or personal gain. Compromising the security of a PHI is considered a breach unless the covered entity or the business associate demonstrates a low probability that the PHI has been compromised. This is calculated by performing a risk assessment. Risk is calculated based on the following factors: the nature of the PHI that is involved and the extent to which it can lead to re-identification, the person who has unauthorized access to the PHI, if the PHI has been actually viewed or used, how much risk to the PHI has been mitigated. In cases where a breach has occurred, the covered entity must notify the affected individual and/or the privacy officer of the organization without any unreasonable delay, which should not be later than 60 days from the discovery of the breach, that is, when the workforce knows about a breach incident. Hence, the employee must immediately report the breach. Reporting a HIPAA breach helps the breach be investigated, documented, and managed. Helps prevent it from happening in the future. Reduces the damage that can be caused by the breach. To report a privacy or security breach, notify your immediate supervisor or the organization's privacy or security officer. Complete the HIPAA incident form describing the incident.